Ride time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one, 1957 Ford short box, step side. Yes, I know I said 57. Here's the deal. Clear Minnesota title as a 57. VIN, yes, does match up with a 56. We are going with 1957 because I need to advertise this and explain it as the Minnesota title reads, but we understand that it is a little older body style than that. Now, to the meat and potatoes of it. Underneath the hood, 351 Cleveland powered. That is paired up with an automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. I did notice the AC belt was not on the pulley, so that may need a little TLC there. Let you take a look at the chrome bright work up front. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see this truck from the underside, interior, bed, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on Cooper Cobra radials, and you can see the American Racing polished wheels. That color is kind of a grabber blue, similar to a grabber blue, maybe a tad bit lighter. Interior, gray leather, two-tone gray leather. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Looks like it has a newer wood flooring in the bed, as well as stainless. You can see the rear gas fill. Tailgate has latches, nice clean look with them on the inside here. And you can see pictures with the tailgate up and tailgate down on our website. Rear chrome bumper shows well. Be a nice one for any of your local cruise-in, roll-ins, local shows. Definitely turn some heads. Good sounding truck too. We'll start it up here shortly, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. Remember those still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Side exiting exhaust. Running boards, good shape, and as you can see, the paint shows well. Not really full of nicks, dings, scratches. Now, we do have poppers on this truck as far as for the doors. Do work well. There's two key fobs for those, and then as far as opening it when you're in the inside, just a pull right here, and that will pop it right open. Power window switches down here. There's your bucket seats. Center armrest. Radio gauges. A little different gauge cluster than it would have came with. Headliner, good shape. Interior light works. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Oh, one other thing I want to point out. This does have a stereo behind the armrest, and that does work. Flip the key on so we can see that powered up. Now let's go ahead and start it for you. See how easily it starts. See oil pressure come up if you notice that one. Voltage. Does have a tach down below. Wipers did work, had those going earlier. They were on a switch, there it is. Wiper switch is this one right over here. AC controls are down here, and the fan does blow, but remember I did mention that belt was off the pulley. Look at the rest of the dash. This does have the front folding tilting hood, FYI. Again, you can see seats are in nice shape. Nothing crazy or obnoxious as far as the exhaust goes, just a nice little rumble coming out of that 351. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take me both hands to get this hood open. So let me pause this a second, take a look underneath the engine. Or I should say underneath the hood. Alright, let's take a peek underneath the hood here. There you go, power steering, power brakes. Again, there's AC compressor. Like I stated, this is the belt, may need a little TLC, electronic ignition. You can see smooth running it. Flip over to the other side real quick, and you can see Engine from every angle in the still pictures. Like we have electric fan, solar fan on the radio there, the radiator there. There's a battery disconnect. Heater hoses hooked up. There you have it. 1957, titled as Remember, and there is clear title on it, just 56 body style. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.